What's up guys, today we're going to learn about problems. So in this video we're going to learn about two questions that we ask for finding out the problems, and also we have a lot with the Khmer translation of those questions, and we included the longer versions as well as the short versions of the phrases that you can use, but you might pick up the one that you prefer, but at least you need to know all of them so that the other people ask you those questions and then you know what they are asking you. Okay, so let's start. What's going on? Okay, so this is a question in English, and in Khmer we ask like this in a longer version. I'm going to read word by word for you first, and then I'm going to read the full sentence, and I'm going to tell you the normal pace that we say out those questions. Alright, let's start. Tớ miễn rướng awayកើតឡើងតើមានរឿងអ្វីកើតឡើងតើមានរឿងអ្វីកើតឡើងតើមានរឿងអ្វីកើតឡើង Okay, this is the full version of our Khmer translation, but you can use other variations like this. Miên rương ấy, miên rương ấy, miên rương ấy. Okay, the normal one, the normal pace. Miên rương ấy, miên rương ấy, miên rương ấy. Okay, next one.កើតấy. So we sayកើតấy. Or មានបញ្ហាអី 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 or you can ask like this, which is the shortest one, I would say. Thấy or like this. Miễn rướngស្អី miên rương sợi. Okay, so you ask it this way. Miên rương sợi. Okay, orកើតấy nắngកើតấy nắng orកើតấy kêកើតấy kê. Okay, and the next question is what's wrong with you? Okay, so in Khmer, អ្នកមានរឿងអី អ្នកមានរឿងអី okay, អ្នកមានរឿងអី or you can also ask like this. អ្នកកើតអី or even this one, but this is a little bit rude, but if you use with young people, that's okay. but still it sounds impolite to use this one. Anh here, okay? It's better to ask with this one, but this sounds like we are using the words from the book, but this is what normally happens in the real society. So the older people, instead of calling net, they call hai. But it's impolite, okay? Just say on or net, okay? Let's start again with this one. Hành cát ấy, hành cát ấy, hành cát ấy, hành cát ấy. And the next one with this question. Nè che tái, nè che tái, dáng mịch, dáng mịch, nè che tai dàng mịch, nè che tai dàng mịch, nè che tái dáng mịch mịch, nè che tái, nè che tái, nè che tái, dàng mịch, nè che tai dàng mịch, nè che tai dàng mịch, nè che tai dàng mịch. Alright, thank you so much guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.